la música de Harry Fraud.
I start at arm's length with all my hand strength and mark the page, swoop and slash as the pencil clash at a glance looks like birds on wires, shit on typewriters as they sit on high wires. Why don't they like fire? Those are high power telephone poles that tower, and they dare to set their claws on the wire bare way up there. I can barely tell that they are birds that I observe on their perch. The entire flock, or at least a third, the birds came in search of a spot, and the first of the flocks I was caught by a lot of wires stretched across a couple poles, perched all along the top. When I popped out a laptop to tap y'all a track raw, when a bird dropped one off, then three more all over my keyboard. The birds that I admired that sat atop the wire, see them? Turns out they got diarrhea, and my dumbass tried to sitting down underneath them. What the fuck do you people feed them? They just shit on my laptop that I had brought, and that's the reason that I cannot use it until it's all cleaned off. Words cannot describe these turds the birds shat as I sat keyboard in my lap. 3 times more they shat. Every time one leaves, 3 more come back. If I was to clap, all of them would flap. I'm tired of their crap, but they just come right back like a lap. Where they left, up top, looking down, pigeons on pavement, pecking, don't really say shit. But these blue jays who take seats up yonder, do sing songs for the peeps within ear reach. One by one, on their perch they come. My word, isn't that something to observe?
Words cannot describe these chat as they sat.